Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this freaking crap keeps interrupting. Okay, anyways, welcome to my house. Tonight you could probably hear like a million fireworks. Hold on, let me get in my garage. Probably a million fireworks tonight. It's July 2nd. That week though, those 4 days, 5 days, whatever, 5 days are always freaking crowded. Fireworks. Oh my god. So we're gonna go check out my neighbors right now. And let's go. Okay, so we're literally like pretty much there. I mean, kind of. If you look close enough, that's their flashlights right there. Not that, but right there. Like not that light right there. Not that light, but the one down there. Like the smaller lights, like the tiny lights. And I zoomed in. Whoa! That literally came out of nowhere. That's what it sounds like. Hold on, let me get back to my garage. Okay, guys, I am back to my garage. Welcome to my house. Oh yeah, they're getting ready to light. Let's go. Okay, so I'm out here. Yeah, thanks for that info. Okay, so there they are. Okay, I'm not sure. I don't know if I should zoom in. It always is better when I come up a little. So zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, I'm scared. I don't know. I'm scared. Where are you gonna light it, dude? Do you have any more fireworks? You better. Oh, they're bringing one back, I think. Yes, come on. Okay. I'm not sure where they are. I'm standing in my yard right now. That's my house. Yeah. Da, 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 da. Sorry I haven't been making musicallys. What the frick? Where are they? I could literally not see. Don't tell me they win. You're not. I see that. See you, firework. Well, I have some fireworks, but I shouldn't light them right now, at least. Yeah, so I'll show you the fireworks I got. Let me show you in the garage. Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, I'm in the garage right now. So these are the fireworks. Happy me. Happy me. Yeah, that's not very good, but at least I got these. Look at my firecrackers though. What the frick? Why? Whoa, what was that? Da, 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 da. Yeah, so yeah, I got my firecrackers here. I'm not gonna light them. Probably gonna light them tomorrow. By the way, I got a spectacular tomorrow. I got the best spectacular. So this is pretty much a vlog right now. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this episode, and I'll see you. They have to light a firework when I'm not freaking looking. So guys, thank you so much for watching this episode, and I will see you. I will see you guys in the next episode, and leave me a comment, leave me a like, subscribe, I don't know, maybe for some help. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mama, I have a different intro. Shut up! Bye-bye.